Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we will learn about how we can manage business processes using record types, then how we can create different business processes, and after that I will explain how we can assign the record types to the profiles in the Salesforce. And before that, if you don't know what is the record types in Salesforce and how we can create record types, for that I already created videos on how to create page layout in Salesforce and how we can create different record types and assign the page layout to the created record types in Salesforce. So the link I have given in description box, you can go through it. After that you can easily understand the business processes in Salesforce and how we can assign the record types to the profiles. Now watch the video till end and don't miss any step, and if you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so whenever we post a new video you will get an update. Now before moving ahead, here is very big announcement for the Salesforce geekers. We recently launched a Salesforce development admin course. In that we explain every concept in a simple and easy to understand way so you can learn step by step with the confidence. So this course is for beginner to the advanced level. In that we have covered 10 modules. You will get lifetime access. So here you can see, here we have covered 10 modules: introduction to Salesforce, Salesforce navigation and setup, after that Salesforce user management, then we also have covered Salesforce apps, object and tabs, after that the Salesforce fields and formulas, UI customization in Salesforce, after that Salesforce reports and dashboards, Salesforce data management and Salesforce flows. So in this course we have covered everything from beginner to the advanced level. So if you are serious about launching your Salesforce career, check out the course now. We have provided the link in the description box. You can go through it. Now let's jump to the topic. Now we will understand how we can manage the business processes using the record types. So here I am closing this one. Now I am opening the Sales application, which is the standard application from the app launcher. Here I am opening the Sales application. And now here you will see we have different standard objects. As I click on these opportunities and click on new opportunity to create one. And now here you can see, here we have one pick list field which is opportunity stages. Now this opportunity stages used as the business process which analyze the business pipeline. So here as you click on this, here you will see different opportunity stages. Now let me close this one. So first we need to check that is there any record types on this opportunity object. For that, here I am clicking on setup, click on object manager. Now this time in the quick find box we need to search for opportunity. Open the opportunity object, scroll down, here we have record types, click on this, and now here we don't have any record type created for the opportunity object. So here first we will create the new record type. For that, click on new button. Then in the existing record type will be master, then record type label. So here I am providing B2B, means business to business. The record type name will be automatically populate. Then sales process, here you can see, here I already created one business process. Let me show you. For that, again click on gear icon. Here I am opening the new tab. In the quick find box, search for the sales process. Here I am opening the sales processes. Here you can see, here I have created opportunity stages. Again let me navigate to the record type, and from here and from this sales process, here I will select the sales process that I created, which is opportunity stages. Then make it active, scroll down and then click on next. Now we know that how to create record types. So here I am creating quickly. So for this record type which is B2B, here I am selecting opportunity sales layout. Scroll down, click on save and new because we want to create another record type. Now before creating another record type, first we need to create different sales process. Because in the first record type we have used one sales process. For that we need to create another sales process. So here I am navigating to the sales processes. Again here I am clicking on new. In the existing sales process, here I have selected master, then sales process name. In the sales process name, here I am providing quick opportunity stages. Then click on save. Now quick opportunity stages in this sense, So usually whenever we create the business processes, in that we have all these stages like prospecting, qualification, needs analysis, all these stages. Now for the quick opportunity stages, so here I am removing some stages. So one by one here I am selecting some stages and then click on remove. After that scroll down and then click on save. Now the first sales process, the opportunity stages that I created, in that we have all the opportunity stages, and then the second sales process that we created, which is quick opportunity stages, in that we have some limited opportunity stages. Now this sales process we will use in the second record type. So here again navigate to create record type. In the record type label, so here I am providing B2C, business to consumer. The record type name will be automatically populated. In this sales process, this time here we need to select another one. So the business process that we created, so it's not appear over here. We need to refresh this one. Again provide the values B2C, and as I click on this, now here you can see quick opportunity stages. Here I am selecting this one, make it active, make available for all profiles, or you can select the profiles that you want to make available. Click on next, select the page layout. So before we have selected sales layout, this time here I am selecting marketing layout, then click on save. Now we have created two record types. First one is B2B and then second one is B2C. And these both record types we have allocated different sales processes. For the B2B we have created opportunity stages as a sales process, and then for the B2C we have created quick opportunity stages as a sales process. Now let me navigate to the opportunity tab. So here we are on the opportunity object or tab. Let me refresh this one. Now as I click on new button, here we need to select the record type. So first let's check for B2B. Here I have selected B2B, click on next, provide the details, opportunity name, test, opportunity, close date, scroll down, select the opportunity type, existing customer, and here you can see in these stages, as you click on it, here you will see all the opportunity stages. So here I am selecting prospecting and then click on save. Now here you can see, here we have the sales process, and for the B2B records, here you can see, here we have all the business processes that we added in the opportunity stages business process. Now we will create record for the B2C record type. Again click on opportunities, click on new. Here I am selecting B2C, click on next. Again provide the opportunity name, opportunity 2, scroll down. Here we need to select opportunity stage, and this time here you can see, here we only have the limited opportunities. So here I am selecting need analysis, scroll down, click on save. We need to provide close date because it's a required field, click on save. And now here you can see, for the B2C record type, here we only have the limited opportunity stages that we added for the quick opportunity sales process. So in this way we can use record type to manage the business processes. Now let's understand how to assign record types to the profiles. So for that, let me navigate Salesforce.org. So first, let's navigate to the student object that we created in the Institute CRM application. Here I am opening the student object or student tab, click on new, and currently I logged in with the system administrator, and for this user all the record types that we created is visible. Now let me show you to log in with another user. For that, click on setup. In the quick find box, here I am searching for profile. Here I am opening the profiles. If you remember, we already created one reception profile. So here I am navigating to the reception profile. Then click on the view users. Here we will see the users who assigned the reception profile. And now here I am going to log in with this user. As I click on students, let me close this one. And now as I click on new button, here also the record types that we created is visible for this user, which is reception profiles user. Now what I want to restrict college student record type from this profiles users. That means as a system administrator, I want to restrict this college student record type from this user. For that, let me log out with this user. Navigate to the profile. Here I am opening the profile again, reception profile. Here you can see, here we have page layouts. Scroll down. After that, here you will see custom app setting, tab setting, and then here we have record type setting. Now in this record type setting, we need to find setting for this student object. For that, as you scroll down, here we only have the standard objects. As you scroll down, at last you will see the custom record type setting. Let me zoom in. Here you can see custom record type setting and for the student object. Now here we need to click on edit button. Again, let me zoom out. And we want to restrict the college student record type from the reception profile users. So here I am clicking on this student, college student, click on remove, scroll down and then click on save. Now again click on view users and here I am going to log in with reception profile user. As I click on student, click on new, and this time here you can see this user can only see the student type, record type, and after that school students record type. I hope whatever I explained you understood that. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so whenever we post any new video you will get an update. Thank you.